Hello and welcome to TVJ's Final Whistle. I'm Simon Preston. I'm joined alongside
Giovanni Brady.
It's day 11 of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. This is the show where we recap all the action from the tournament over in Russia. 3 games, 14 goals, a victory by a European team and also a South American team. Let's get into the action, starting with one of the biggest highlights of the day, Giovanni. England 6, Panama 1. England's largest margin of victory ever at the FIFA World Cup.
Well, I told you yesterday that England could not lose to Panama. If they lost to Panama, they would have deserved to go home. Harry Kane scoring what has been described as probably one of the worst hat-tricks. Still a hat-trick, got the match ball. 2 penalties it was and a deflected effort. Jesse Lingard, though, definitely making up for that with what was a superb effort from about 20 yards out. That was a good goal.
Absolutely, and for the Panamanian side of things, Felipe Baloy being the 3rd oldest man to score in the history of the World Cup, 37 years of age. The record still lies with Cameroon's Roger Milla, who was 42 and 39 days. Well, 3 points in the bag for England, so they advance with Belgium into the round of 16. Let's move on now to Group H, Japan. And Senegal. Top of the table clash, 2-2, fair result?
Yeah, I think so. One Japanese player who I liked was Inoue down that left-hand side, and his finish to what was it, to equalize the game it was? No, to take the lead,
right,
was simply superb. I mean, cutting in from that left-hand side and curling it into the far corner. It was a good win, and that's why we saw Real Betis pay the big money to get him over there in La Liga.
And how could we forget the equalizer from Keisuke Honda, the man who started so well in AC Milan over the past couple of years, now plying his trade in Mexico. And Japan got the equalizer, 4 points, and Senegal also on 4 points.
But to be honest though, I quite frankly, I like the Japanese team. I think the Japanese team played some good football, technically efficient. They have, I think, probably a better midfield, better players in there. They have Shinji Kagawa, Honda came on, and Kagawa really pulling the strings as he usually does. So, though it's an African team, I think I want Japan to go through. I think if Japan goes through, we'll see better overall football being played. I don't know, what's your opinion on that?
Well, I'll tell you this, Japan has a little pattern at the FIFA World Cup. 98, group stage exit. 2002, round of 16. 2006, group stage exit. 2010, round of 16. 2014, group stage. So you know what that means in 2018, round of 16
or
for the
quarterfinals. You know?
We'll see, but yes, I expect the Japanese to come out of the group. But let's see how things progress in the next couple of days or so. The last game of the day, the first European team to be eliminated from the 2018 FIFA World Cup. It's bye-bye Poland, and you could say in Portuguese it's adios Poland. Well, it is congratulations for the Colombians, a 3-0 victory.
Excelente. Spanish, you know, it was a good performance. James Rodriguez, we were in here in the studio watching it, and James just put on a passing clinic. He was just simply masterful, drifting. I think he started on the left-hand side, but he drifted in field a lot, and he showed his passing ability with that left foot that he has there. He assisted the last goal, brilliant pass to Juan Guardado. It was superb. It was wow. Yes. Wow. That's all I can say.
Absolutely wow. Sublime. So we're going to have 4 games tomorrow. We're getting into crunch time now. 8 in this tournament, where the group stages where teams are going to be playing their last game of the group. Some teams will be looking to book their spot into the round of 16. Others are looking to top their group. So let's look at Group A, Giovanni. Uruguay versus Russia. Top of the table clash. Winner would be considered as A1 and will play the runner-up of Group B.
Group B, which the runner-up I think will probably be Portugal in Group B. However, I think Uruguay has a better quality. However, Russia has been riding a wave. We spoke about the 12th man, and Russia seems to have that 12th man on their side. So I think Uruguay will win though. Probably like a 2-1 victory, because Uruguay themselves have not looked very convincing. Luis Suarez and Edinson Cavani largely haven't found the type of consistent form you'd expect them to find it. So I think 2-1 though. I think quality-wise, 2-1.
All right, well, I say 1-0. Your prediction on Egypt versus Saudi Arabia?
I think Egypt wins this one. 2-0 would be their first win at the tournament, at a World Cup tournament at all. So I think Egypt win this one. Salah, quality player, El Neni. I don't think Saudi Arabia has any answers to those type of players. So yeah.
Well, Saudi Arabia, they'll be hoping for their first win since USA back in 1994. Group B now, Spain versus Morocco. Morocco already eliminated, but hoping to put up a good fight in their last game of the tournament against the Spanish.
I'm saying Morocco wins 4-0. I'm just kidding. Morocco does not win 4-0.
I was wondering where you're going for a second.
Morocco has disappointed me. I thought they were the African team with the most potential. They were the African team I thought would have gone through. I thought they could have probably edged out Portugal. However, they failed to do that. I think Spain wins this one, though. Spain wins this one probably by a goal. One goal. Because I think Morocco can score. I think they have the attacking quality in Yunus Ben Halder, Amirit Hart from Schalke. So I think they have the quality. But Spain wins this one by a goal.
Yeah, I give the Spanish the edge as well. And finally, Iran versus Morocco, arguably the match of the day.
Yeah, the match of the day. Iran on 3 points, Morocco. Sorry, Iran on 3 points, Portugal on 4 points.
So you know, winner definitely advances.
Winner definitely advances, and Iran could still advance on 4 points if Portugal lost in their game.
If Spain lost.
If Spain lost in their game.
Yes.
Yeah, in their game. So this probably, again, is the game of the day. However, I think Portugal wins this one because Iran has built their own at this tournament, being solid defensively. However, in this game, a win is definitely the result that would benefit them. So they can't come here and defend, they'll have to go forward. And I mean, if they're going forward and Portugal's going forward, obviously, Portugal is a better team in terms of attacking talent. So I think Portugal wins this one again. I can see by 2-3 goals.
Wow.
Ronaldo with a brace, you know, extending that lead and, you know, passing
Harry Kane.
You know, in the Golden Boot race. So, yeah. Already, you know.
I give the Portuguese the edge, but just 1-0 over Iran, and Iran will have to wait another 4 years to see if they can get into the round of 16. Well, that's it for Final Whistle for today. Day 12 is tomorrow. We'll recap all the action from the 2018 FIFA World Cup. I'm Simon Preston.
And I'm Giovanni Brady.
And thank you very much for watching.